Students, previous class we have completed 48th question. Now see 49th onwards. These are level 2. F of x is equal to integration x square plus sine square x by 1 plus x square into secant square x dx. And f of 0 is equal to 0. Then find f of 1. So this type of model is important in mains particularly. Now see that how to calculate. F of x is equal to integration x square plus sine square x is there. Sine square x formula 1 minus cos square x into secant square x divided by what is that? 1 plus x square dx. Now here x square plus 1 take 1 unit. Now we get integration x square plus 1 into secant square x minus cos square x into secant square x. Cos square x into secant square x value 1. Denominator 1 plus x square. Split them. First term x square plus 1, denominator 1 plus x square is going to cancel. Remaining is only secant square x dx minus cos square x into secant square x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now apply the integration. Integration secant square x dx tan x minus integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse of x plus c. This is f of x value. But already given f of 0 is equal to 0. In place of x substitute 0. F of 0 value is 0. Tan 0, 0. Tan inverse of 0, 0. Plus c. Overall here, c value is 0 or not. Now finally we get the function f of x is equal to tan x minus tan inverse x. But what they are asking, see, they are asking f of 1, just in place of x substitute 1, f of 1 tan 1 minus tan inverse of 1, that is pi by 4. So final answer tan 1 minus pi by 4. Third option is correct. See the question number 50. Integration dx by sin x minus cos x plus root 2 is equal to. See the options. Tan and cot terms are there. And 1 by root 2 also is there. First, we have to take common root 2. Root 2 common means outside will come 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Now dx by here 1 by root 2 sin x minus 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1. Okay. And see the options. Tan is there, cot is there. When it is possible, tan and cot, integration secant square and integration cosecant square means tan and cot possible. So how to do this? So do one thing. 1 by root 2 integration dx by, first write 1. Next these two terms take minus common into cos x cos pi by 4 minus sin x sin pi by 4. Observe this. cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B, like that is there. What is the formula? Cos A plus B dx divided by 1 minus cos x minus pi by 4. This is what is 1 minus cos theta formula? 2 sin square theta by 2 now. 1 by root 2 integration dx by 2 sin square theta by 2. That means we get x by 2. So here this is plus, sorry, plus pi by 8. 1 by sine square means cosecant square. So 1 by 2 root 2 integration cosecant square x by 2 plus pi by 8 dx. What is integration cosecant square x dx? Minus cot x. Minus cot x. So minus 1 by 2 root 2 cot x by 2 plus pi by 8. Here observe that x coefficient is 1 by 2 is there, right in denominator. Don't forget that. Plus c. So 2 to cancel. Now final answer is minus 1 by root 2 cot of x by 2 plus pi by 8 plus c. Students, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Read the 51 question. Here, steps denote greatest integer function. Greatest integer function given. So x belongs to 2 by 3 comma 1. That means 2 by 3 less than x less than 1. By using this condition, we need to find step of 5 minus 3x value. Step of 5 minus 3x value is integer. What is that integer we need to find? Now here, multiply with 3, 2 less than 3x less than 3. And here in the problem, minus 3x is there. Apply minus. The symbols is going to reverse. That's why I'm writing the reverse now. Minus 3 less than minus 3x less than minus 2. Next, add 5. 5 minus 3 less than 5 minus 3x less than 5 minus 2. Now this is 2 less than 5 minus 3x less than 3. So 5 minus 3x value lies between 2 and 3. Then what is step of 5 minus 3x? That is 2 only, because step of 2.001, that is 2. Step of 2.9999, that is also 2 only. In between 2 and 3, 5 minus 3x value. Take any one. Step of 5 minus 3x value is 2 only. Now go to the question. Integration step of 5 minus 3x divided by x minus 2 dx. So already we know that step of 5 minus 3x value is 2. 2 take outside. Integration 1 by x minus 2 dx. Integration 1 by x minus 2 dx. Log x minus 2. So overall we got answer 2 log x minus 2 plus c. Observe the question, they are asking k value. What is k value? 2. Second option is correct. 2 less than x less than 3. Then integration mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3. Here already you know that modulus condition. If x greater than 0, Then what is mod x value? X. If x less than 0, mod x value is minus x. So in between 2 and 3, those values substitute in place of x. So inside the mod, if you are getting negative, so mod of value is, you'll get negative. Okay. So mod x minus 1 is there. In place of x, substitute in between 2 and 3, any value. Or suppose 2.5. 2.5 minus 1, 1.5. It is positive. So modulus value also positive, plus 2.5 substitute